I just got home from the hospital, from work, and I noticed that I had a package, and it feels like my 3D crystal. So shout out to the 3dcrystal.com company. Thank you so much for my crystal, you guys. And so we're gonna open this together. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much for being here. So let's just dive right into it. Let's see what we get, you guys. I'm so super duper excited. How you guys doing today? I hope you're blessed. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day, you guys. Yes, we are getting sponsors, you guys. It's so amazing to try out their products. I appreciate them for even thinking about me to share their products with me so I can share them with you. So don't forget to go check out 3dcrystals.com and get your personalized crystal. You can send it to a family member, a loved one. I know Valentine's Day just passed. It's not too late because I got an email from them. One day, I sent them my information the next day. This package came a couple days later. So that's how quick it is. Okay, they fast on the ship at 3dcrystal.com. So go check out 3dcrystal.com. And we're going to open this. The package came DHL. And I'm going to open it up. And it comes in a nice bubble wrap like that. And let's see what we got, you guys. I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? Okay. So we're going to take it out of the box. Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. I couldn't help it. I'm sorry. Okay. So in the package comes a black box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a USB charger type thingy. Okay. Plug. So this must be the base, the light base. They sent me, they asked me what I wanted, and I picked the large crystal, and I'm going to put it on my wall of things. Yes, okay. So this is the light stand that the crystal sits on, and I guess this is the on and off button, so it'll probably face this way. Yeah, because the power socket is there. So this is the base. And then we're going to dig a little further. Oh my God, it's such a nice box. Oh, okay. And then you have this. And on the sides, it feels like velvet. Nice and soft, you guys. So let's see what we got. And it says, authentic, the original. This was custom made just for your skinny boy Randy, you guys. Can you believe it? Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got. And it slides out. Oh, wow. This is a beautiful box, you guys. Look at that. Okay, let's open her up. Let you see it with me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at that. Let me take it out of the box. I hate to even touch it. Oh my goodness. I sent them a photo of me standing in the snow. It's huge. Oh my God. Look, you guys. Can you guys see this? Oh, my white shirt is probably in the background. Let me, can I put it up against here? Look, you guys. And it's all the way around 3D. Yes, that's a picture of me. If you look at my page, I have this picture up. And it looks like my photo is like 3D imaged into this crystal glass. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. Thank you so much, 3dcrystal.com. And it even comes with a wipe to wipe it from fingerprints. And then I guess it sits on the base like this. And then if you plug it up, I'm not going to plug it up right now, but it lights up. You guys, this is amazing. I just feel like I got an Emmy Award. Look at that. I don't even know if they give out Emmy Awards this nice and heavy. Yes, you guys, this came from 3dcrystals.com. I appreciate them so much. Go over there and check them out. 3dcrystals.com and get your customized 3D crystal from them. Yes, you guys, this is so amazing. It's your skinny boy Randy. Yes! So awesome. Thank you, 3dcrystal.com. Remember, you guys, live, love, laugh, you guys. Post stuff and eat it. Also, go check out 3dcrystals.com and get yours today. Beautiful. Take care. Live, love, laugh, you guys. Post stuff and eat it.